Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now, HDFC Mutual Fund's small cap fund has bought another 99,134 shares of a small cap engineering plastics company yesterday via a bulk deal. Now, this transaction happened at Rs 1300. If anyone is following our channels, they would also be aware that we had prepared two previous videos where HDFC Mutual Fund had earlier also bought into the same company. Now, please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Shaily Engineering Plastics Limited, which is available at 1396.50, and the symbol for it is SHAILY. Now, Shaily Engineering Plastics Limited is engaged in the manufacture of other plastic products. The company manufactures high-precision injection molded plastic components, assemblies, molds, and dies for original equipment manufacturer requirements. Now, the one-year chart reveals that this company has been on a beautiful uptrend. The market cap of the company is 1161.67 crores, which means that the company is still a small cap one. The EPS is 28.77, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 48.54, which is much more expensive compared to the industry PE of 40.75. The book value is 126.99, translating into a price to book ratio of 11.00. The dividend yield is 0.36, whereas the 52-week high is 1510. The 52-week low for the company stands at 520, and the promoter holding here is average at 51.09. Now, this company is a supplier to many Fortune 500 companies, and the fundamentals of this company are very sound. Also, friends, please don't treat this as a stock recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. Also, if you are benefited by the content that you see on our channel, please don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.